very, very big photo. Wow. How do I put this? That's my baby. Oh, very little bit. And I think this is supposed to be cool. I thought this was a mushroom. I think it is. Oh. These are so pretty. Oh my god. This is my baby, my official baby. Yeah. And then we have this I honestly don't know what this is. But I think it has the signature of each member here. This is for Jin and RM. I think this is basically just a picture poster, if that's what it's called. Moving on to the photo cards. There is one photo card I really want to see, and I hope it's in this edition of the album. Oh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 number boys for prayer. So this is the first set of photo cards, and I think you can pull the upper part. You can detach the upper part from this portrait. Yeah. And moving on to the main photo card. Oh, Upsaw. It's not there. I think it's in the other album. And this I don't know what this is. As well as this. I don't think anything. I don't know what it is. So yeah, that will be all for the whole album. So just as we unbox it, let's box it back. yeah, this is the end of your button. Thank you, KCCN. Bye.